This is the 17th video in my series on three-phase power transformers. In this video, I'll be looking at one of the many reasons that we use a Y or star zigzag connected transformer. This is an excerpt from one of my courses entitled Electrical Three-Phase Power Transformer Fundamentals. You can access this and my other courses on my stand store at this web address. Before moving on, let's show firstly the need for the next configuration type connection. In order to do that, let's look at a hypothetical system growth. We see here an existing station with two Y to delta transformers ultimately feeding a low voltage distribution grid. As the system grows, a YY transformer station is built, and its primary is fed from the same source as the other old existing system with the two Y delta transformers. As the system grows, at some point it would meet on the low voltage feeds, and for logistical reasons it might seem practical to parallel the systems. Of course, the problem here is the 30-degree phase shift difference on the secondaries of the transformers and their connecting feeds. There is a solution to this, and it is accomplished with the aid of a Y zigzag transformer. Now, let's revisit our hypothetical growth system, and we still have the existing station with two Y to delta transformer ultimately feeding the low voltage distribution grid. This time, however, it grows and it builds into a Y zigzag transformer station. As the system continues to grow, at some point it would meet for logistical reasons. Again, it might seem practical to parallel the systems. This time, the feeders are in phase with a much happier outcome. This video is part of my Electrical Technical Information series. In this series, I'll be covering essential topics to help you understand electrical systems. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also from time to time be reviewing electrical products that, in my opinion, are worthy of paying attention to. One of those amazing and versatile products is the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra, which can be modified to suit any homeowner's needs, operating virtually silent, and when paired with the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 2 is extremely versatile. The EcoFlow Home Panel 2 ties any and all of your standby power equipment together and will control them efficiently. It will even control your connection to the utility grid to make sure you're only using the least expensive power, switching to your standby power during those expensive time of use rates. In order to view the full range of EcoFlow products, check into this website to browse the full extent of their products. There is no cost or commitment for viewing. Before ending this video, let me repeat the connection to obtain my free copy of the Ultimate Guide to Residential Standby Generators and receive access to all of EcoFlow products. Also, here is the connection to obtain a free copy of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets. And finally, here is a link to all of my electrical courses, which are located in my stand store.